Okay, we have 1 block of softened cream cheese. We're just going to get that in our bowl and give that a good little breaking up. And then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of milk or cream just to make the cream cheese more spreadable. Okay, give that a mix. Now I'm going to be adding chicken bouillon. I'm using Watkins today. It's a low sodium chicken bouillon. And then I'm also adding a 1/4 teaspoon of minced onion. You can also use the garlic granules or the garlic powder, whatever you prefer. Okay, I'm just going to give that a quick mix and incorporate that really well. We're making a cheese ball for the holiday appetizer season today. And I've got everything, gonna get everything nice and mixed up. So once it's nicely mixed up, then we're going to get to the next step. All right, make sure your cream cheese mixture is fully mixed. Now we're going to just get a spatula and get everything off of our wooden spoon. All right. Now we're going to just scrape it all in and form our ball. So scrape those edges out. Get our saran wrap, plastic wrap. And I like to use a bowl. So I'm just going to get a little bowl. And I'm going to line my bowl with plastic wrap. And I'm going to spoon in my cream cheese mixture all in the bowl. Okay. Scrape everything off your spatula. And then this is going to get formed into a ball. Just grab the edges and form a ball. Doesn't have to be perfect in shape. In shape, yes. We're going to form it into a ball, but it doesn't have to be aesthetically pleasing because now this is going to go into the fridge to firm up. Okay, we got our ball of cheese that we just made out of the fridge. That has been sitting for a couple hours to firm up, and we're just going to mold it into a ball. We just want to make sure it's nice and round, and then I'm going to uncover it. There we go. You can always put it in the freezer. Okay, now I'm going to take I've got some chives. I've got some black pepper. I've got some paprika. Just gonna put it all in there. Let's get it all out there. Okay, maybe some minced onion. Okay, great. And we're just gonna give that a little mix. Just mix it all up. Let's use our hands. There we go. And we're gonna give it a shake. Now I'm gonna take my cheese ball and we're gonna coat the cheese ball. Okay. Take it and coat it all around. Make sure it's nice and covered. Okay, great. Okay, make sure it's really covered well. I like to use a combination of spices, herbs, just till I get a bunch of different flavors going on. Okay, now that it's well covered, we're gonna just grab another plate for serving. Put the cheese ball on and then add a few crackers to the side. And it's ready to serve. Voila, enjoy. A cheese ball all ready for the holidays. Recipes on our website, make it.